Wants to pledge. India is my country. All the answer. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and elders respect and teach everyone it courtesy. I shall be and teach everyone it courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be prosperity, Allah life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Today's national news and international news brought to you by K. Lokesh. International news. Macron says France will recognize Palestine as a state. National news. India and UK signed the free trading agreement. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by K. Vinay Kumar. State news. Telangana CM Mr. Revant Reddy and his cabinet colleagues met Mallikarjun and Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Sport news. Qatar confirms talk over hosting 2036 Olympic Games. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning to all. Today's weather report brought to you by Pratik. Maximum temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by P. Navadip Kumar Reddy. Today's thought is, real heroes don't have a name on the back of their jersey. They wear their country's flag. I repeat it again. Real heroes don't have a name on the back of their jerseys. They wear their country's flag. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To all, today's word is brought to you by V. Krishna Prasad. The word is victory. It means success in winning a battle of game or competition. Friends, please spell after me. Victory. 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 Thank you. Happy morning everyone. Today's speech is brought to you by Varun Tej. Speech. Cricket in India has a rich history. Starting with its introduction by British traders and settlers in the 18th century. This sport quickly gaining popularity with the first cricket club established in 1932. While the Indian national team debuted in Test cricket in 1932, it wasn't until 1983 that they achieved their first international victory, winning the Cricket World Cup. Thank you.